Hey guys, Ashish again with another video, and I've decided to make a series of videos regarding town hall attack strategies. So as you can see, it's my town hall 5 account. It's not mine, it's my friend's town hall 5 account. So so in this first video I'll be saying you how you could how you could execute a town hall 5 attack. So you can see here what I use giants and archers as my troops, and in clan castle it's good to have something good. Like I prefer to have hogs or balloons. So as you can see, this time I have hogs. This is the troop I use, and I'll be saying you the steps you need to follow in order to attack. So so our clan is having a war, and I attacked at number 9. So let me scout his base for you guys. It was a town hall 6 account. Even though as you guys can see, it's a very easy base. So what are the things you have to keep in mind? So number 1, you should always take out the clan castle troops before sending in your armies. So now I'll be recommending you guys to use your lightning spell to taking out clan castle troops. And second step, and if the clan castle and if the lightning spell is not enough to take that clan castle troop, then attack it with your troops. And second step, watch if there's any building on the corners of this space. As this space has no buildings, so it's good, but if there's any building, it's good that you put a barbarian or an archer on each of the corner. Because what happens that your your troops are able to, your troops successfully takes the base, complete base, but then the corner buildings are left, and they go from one corner to other corner, and eventually you get a 99% 2 stars. So that is the last thing you want to happen. So let me show the replay of this attack. As I said you, I took out the clan castle troops, and and then I dropped a lightning spell on them. As you can see that the clan castle troops, he had Valkyrie's few minions, so that lightning spell was not enough to take that Valkyries. Now, if in the clan castle a Valkyrie comes out of the clan castle, it is, I think, the most dangerous troop in clan castle for clan castles at lower level. So I took out, and then I went with my giants for shielding. And after my giants are inside the base, I send in my hawks. This helps, that your giants are shielding for your hog riders, and it keeps your hog rider alive for a bit longer. And now you can see that I launched my archers. Uh, I only launch my archers when I see that there is nothing which is attacking on my archer. So now you can see only 2 or 3 defenses are left, and we have a lot of giants for that, and also some hog riders. Okay, that giant bomb appeared, but eventually my hog riders was safe. And as you can see, after killing the base, also I have 2 of the hog riders left. One I remember was taken out by that springtime. So let me fast forward it. So there's nothing left, it's all clearing. So well, this is the attack strategy which I prefer. And I remember many of the guys use balloons, but on my personal account I don't prefer balloons, because of 2 reasons. One is that it's very vulnerable to visa towers, and it's more than vulnerable than giants to visa towers. And the second reason is that balloons take a huge amount of time to train themselves, so I prefer this giant and archer combo. So let me do a live attack for you guys. It's always good to share a live attack with you guys. So let me find a match. So this is a town hall 5. So this video is about what war attack strategy, and at town hall 5 you'll be attacking a town hall 5 base. So let's search for a town hall 5 base. It has got a good amount of elixir in it. There's no reason why I should not be going for this. So let's check if there's anything. No, there's nothing in that. So now I'll be sending my all of my giants, as you can see here. And there goes few of my wall breakers. And once the giants are inside the base, I send in my hogs. That helps a lot. And I won't be using my lightning spell because there's no need. So as you can see, the hog riders do a great damage. So I'll be using this. I thought I won't be using this, but now I think I'll be using this lightning spell for taking out. And now as you can see that this area is all clear, so I'll be sending my archers to clear, and for the corner buildings, one archer each, so that I do not miss 100%. Then randomly send all of your troops, and for sure this will be 100%. Now as you can see, there's no defenses left, it's all clearing, and I'm damn sure we are going to get 100%. So this is what you need to do for being a town hall 5. You may also opt for balloons for your attack strategy, but like I said, I prefer giants because they are relatively cheaper, or maybe of the same. Maybe they cost the same, but then the balloons take a lot of time to train themselves, so it's not required. So as you can see here, we got a decent loot. We got 100%. I'm very sure we'll be getting 100%. And also you could see that I have a lot of I have a lot of time left, which means I did not run out of time. Also, you can see that I had 1 minute and 15 seconds left. So I think I so yes, that's all from this video. Hope you like this video. If you want more attack strategies, war attack strategies from my side, then do subscribe to my channel.